depending on where you live in the world.
Winter is coming.
I'm preparing myself for the Elegoo Saturn 4 review that I'm going to do on this channel, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. I wanted to check out and test the Elegoo Mini Heater. This video we're going to be unboxing it. I'm going to set it up into the machine right there. I'm going to be printing for a couple of days, and I'm going to be checking the temperatures of the printer and as well of the room where I am right here, because where I do my videos is on the basement of my home, and here gets really cold in winter. So let's begin. This is the box, nothing special, so let's open it up and see what is inside of it. So the first thing is the user's manual for the mini heater. I don't think that this really needs too much of explanation. Have an adapter plate, some things, let's check it out. Here's an Allen key and a couple of screws. On this brown undescribed box, oh, everything is falling out. You have your power cable and a power brick. In my case is the AU plug, because of course I live in Germany, so this is what I need. And here is the heater itself. Set the box to the side and let's check it out. This is the plate, so you can set it up into the back of the printer itself. Here are the two filters, because the fan comes with filters. Pretty good. It also works as a carbon filter, I do believe. And here is the mini heater itself. Now, it's really small. What surprised me is that this needs such a big brick. Wait a moment. As you can see, the brick is almost bigger as the heater itself. This really surprised me. Here are the filters, and I do believe here on the bottom you can open this up and change the filters on the bottom of the device. That is going to be the air intake, and it's going to take it out through the top. So I'm going to set it up into the printer and wait a couple of days, and after we come back and I will tell you what I have found, if it's worth it for you guys to purchase this for your resin printer or not. But of course, before we test it, we have to install it. So the thing with this is that you have to take this included plate, remove the one that is inside of the machine here on the back with some screws at the front, and then set it up like this. So this is going to able to keep a gap underneath where the filter is, and with nothing else to add, let's install it. Let's see how easy it is. Now, let's take the screwdriver, and here are the 4 screws that you need to remove, and then let's set it up. It has been like a week since I installed that into my Saturn 4 Ultra, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it. Now, it works. The temperature come and go into 25 degrees and it reaches it, but a couple of things that I don't like about it is that the fan noise is really loud. It's really loud for what tiny it is. I think it's a little bit too loud. Depending on the temperature of the room where you are and where you have your printer, sometimes can take a really long time until this reaches the temperature, and with a little bit underneath, it's going to start once more and once more and once more. So the electricity bill and all the things that this have, as well as if you're storing your resin on the cool place itself, the resin itself, the liquid itself is going to be cold. So you need to put it inside of the printer and then, I don't know, give it like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe an hour, until the liquid itself gets also a temperature, because that is what is really important. Not as much the temperature of where the printer is, but the liquid, the resin that you want to use. Now, it works, yeah, of course. I printed already this model of Superman, but I'm working on it. It's not done. I still need a couple of things. And it prints, even though that is really cold inside of here. I put a t-shirt on, but anyway. So, is it worth it for you to buy it? It depends. If you don't care about the noise, if you have it into a separate room and it's really cold there where you are, yes. I don't like how they did the way to put it inside of the printer. I think it's a little bit flimsy, and they expect you to change the filters once a month, so it's another thing that you need to purchase all the time. So only if you are in a really cold place, I would recommend you guys to purchase it. If not, I think it's better that you put a little bit something in your room to keep it a little bit warmer, and that way you can also have your resin at a higher temperature of 25 degrees. That is the standard, let's say it like that, for the resin prints and for the resin liquid. That is it, guys. It's a good product. We like it more integrated into the printer in a way, but I understand why Elegoo didn't send it with the printer, because like this, people that doesn't need it, they don't need to pay for it. But it's okay. It's not good, it's not bad, but it does what it has to do. It heats the printer up. So it's your choice, guys. If you need it because where you need to print is really cold, then do it. If you don't really need it, or you are thinking, for the little times that I print, I don't really need that, I can wait, or I can put my printer into a different place, then do that. And that is my honest opinion about the Elegoo Mini Heater for resin 3D printers. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like into it and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Soon it's going to come the review of the Elegoo Saturn 4, I'm working on it, as well as the Bamboo X1 Carbon that I already have for 1 month. So if you want to take a look at those videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.